Section 10, finishing off the bag. So here is our final section, yay! And the pattern's coming to an end. So now the turning gap is closed. You need to turn the bag right side facing out, push out all those curves and corners and give it a good press. Add yourself a round of applause. Hooray! You're finished. Just imagine the party poppers going bang, 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 bang. So I would like to say a big thank you for all the support you have given me and for buying this pattern. 2020 is going to be a good year of a new and old designs and much more. So please follow me on Instagram, Facebook and join our Facebook group and subscribe to this channel. So you've made it this far, why not see the extra little bit at the end? These are my amazing testers. These are the bags that they made. I want to give them credit. Bless their hearts and souls, they have either made the bag or proofread my pattern, as I'm a dyslexic and my grammar isn't the best, so I thank my testers. Like I said before, if you have not joined the Facebook group, why not join now? See in the description below, and if you want to see more, why not subscribe to the channel and put a comment and give us those thumbs up. Thanks again and happy bag making. See you all next time. Bye.